Hello, Finovate. My name is Nicholas Balesis, VP of Growth at FinTech Insights by Scientia. Today, we're going to show you FinTech Insights, the premier competitive analysis tool for banks, fintechs, and credit unions. All the data you need to outsmart your competition in one powerful, user-friendly platform. We've already empowered digital banking teams across the globe at institutions such as US Bank, America First Credit Union, Ent Credit Union, UBS Worldwide, Backbase, Q2, and many more. Users of FinTech Insights are able to see exactly where they stand in the digital banking landscape in terms of total features offered, how this is offered through their digital channels, and how their user experience stacks up against the market. All of this data facilitates banks and fintechs to go to market up to 60% faster with their digital banking products, all while avoiding reinventing the wheel, eliminating the trial and error process, and de-risking their digital banking product development. Now, let's uncover together exactly how a user of FinTech Insights would be able to achieve this. For our demonstration, I'm going to play the part of a product owner at PenFed Credit Union. I have my dashboard set up with PenFed as our primary bank of focus. We can create any market of our choosing, but let's look at how PenFed stacks up against some select US banks and fintechs. As PenFed, I can see with ease how my two primary channels, web and mobile, stack up against a select market of US banks. We can take it a step further. Scrolling down to our gap analysis, I can see what PenFed offers uniquely to the US market, which happens to be nothing, what is in common, and what the market offers over and above PenFed. With a click into any category, let's do cards, for example, we can see the functionalities that my competition supports that I have not yet explored. Every function we see here is an opportunity. I can see for any given functionality, for example, let's take block card, who in the select US market offers this, as well as the other banks, fintechs, and credit unions I've excluded from my view, listed here in the rest of the world. Now let's say we want to select Bank of America. We will see exactly how this functionality is implemented with a video captured by the FinTech Insights team. Any journey we see will be the latest implementation from the bank as we update FinTech Insights weekly with the latest changes across the market. So, I've quickly identified where my gaps are, seen a list of competitors who are already offering what I'm missing, and a real video implementation of a competitor's journey. Now, by moving over to our UX analysis page, we can see the individual journey breakdowns in real videos, and as well as journey maps outlining each and every step the user has to take to be able to block their card. Every action is cataloged, and through our UX labs, we've created an objective scoring matrix that applies penalties based on the friction of specific actions taken. For example, tap is -20, omit -5 in every instance, and so on. This allows for objective comparisons between alike features, even if the institutions are unalike. I can see all the obstacles they faced, how they've overcome common challenges, and visually see how they've offered this feature to their customers. No assumptions, just the hard facts. Now that we've identified the feature that we're missing and how well Bank of America implements this, we can quickly uncover who offers the best user experience score for this feature. If we click on the burger menu, we can see how each of our competitors stacks up based on the score of the user journey. We can go ahead and sort this list as well by best UX and see that Monzo, who just so happened to have entered the US market recently, offers the best score for the block card functionality. Now, with a click in, we can see the exact implementation of the best user journey. Now, let's say I've identified this block card, and I'd like to design and implement this feature that I'm missing in Q4 of 2023. With our latest product road mapping tool, I can add Monzo's block card journey as a reference to that specific year and quarter, selecting for budget and man hours that would be required to complete this project. And last but not least, send it for approval. FinTech Insights and the product road mapping tool is accessible to your whole organization, effectively streamlining the research, design to implementation process through one simple interface. After adding all of my desired features into my roadmap, I can select and compare my projected self against the rest of my market. So, we've identified what's missing from our digital banking offerings, and from what we are missing, what we want to prioritize to build. Next, we found out who offers this given feature and who does it the very best. We've added the feature in reference to our roadmap and submitted it for approval. And now our whole organization is on the same page, all in under 7 minutes. How long would it take you and your teams to uncover this data? Provide your organization with an objective source of truth. Iterate and implement your features up to 60% faster, all while de-risking your product development process. Come by our booth and scan our QR code to grant you and your entire organization full access to FinTech Insights for 1 week on us. Happy exploring.